My name is Jamison Coe. My name is Grace Neal.
My name is Hannah Maynard.
I'm Kelsey Sider.
My name is Amelia McKee.
This is Paige Miller.
My name is Hal Benson, and I am a Stage and Production Management major here at OCU.
Hi, I'm Jeff Cochran, Professor of Stage and Production Management.
Hi, I'm Lorna Sherrill, and I am the Artist in Residence in Stage Management at Oklahoma City University.
Key principle number 1 here at OCU, we're student-centric. What that means is all students coming in will be on main stage production as well as taking a stage management class following. Principle number 2 is the volume of productions. Here at OCU, we produce a tremendous amount of shows. What that means to you is that while you're here, you're going to have plenty of opportunity to expand from the classroom to the stage. In the end, what this creates is a robust experience for the student that changes the way the resume reads upon graduation. Principle number 3 is our professional partners. Here at Oklahoma City University, we say that we're a professional training program. In order to say that, we have to back that up. In order to do that, we partner with every major arts organization in Oklahoma City. Students will get real-life work experience at Lyric Theater of Oklahoma, the Oklahoma City Ballet, and Factor 110. Principle 4 here at OCU is faculty. Unlike many schools, we have not only one, but we have 2 full-time faculty in the area of stage production management. Principle number 5 here at OCU is you. We travel across the United States looking for the most passionate storytellers. Of the 20 stage managers we currently have in the program, they're from 9 different states across the United States. So we're so excited about the opportunity for you to come and join us here at Oklahoma City.